What is up, guys? It is Jordan from Monster Motoring, and right now I am like semi-bright and dark at the same time. Don't worry about that. I'm not in my car. Technically, I don't even have a car right now. I'll get a little more into that. We'll go over that. So basically, I sold my Mustang. I sold the one thing that started this whole journey for me. Started Teen Boost, started Monster Motoring. The one thing that, you know, I could really call mine. I got rid of it, and it was for a good reason.
Breaker bar.
Breaker bar. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. There you go.
There you go.
You want me to step on it?
There we go.
Alright, so looks like coilover is a little bit bent. Control arm.
I mean, I know you were going to change the suspension regardless.
Yeah.
Damn, that control arm's dead.
Yeah, I was looking at it.
Well, good thing we have this one over there.
Yep. Otherwise, honestly, it just looks like suspension.
And I think you're going to need a new bolt because it definitely took a lot of impact on this side.
Oh, this bolt goes all the way through?
Yeah, it goes all the way
Wow.
through, so you're going to need a new one of that.
How do you get it through the? Oh, through this?
Yeah.
What is this,
Just-
like hard plastic?
Yeah, just unbolts right here,
Okay.
here. I wonder how that's going to play out when we're trying to rip it out.
Well,
We might have to cut it.
it's gonna be inside, so I don't care how long it takes. I don't care how long it takes.
Now, which is better anyway, better point.
Oh my goodness. Nah, none of that. Is that wheel bend?
Oh. What the hell did you hit?
I didn't hit anything. That's something my dad did, maybe.
Jeez.
That wheel is really bad. I'm looking at it. I'm like, that looks flat.
Boy. That's why I don't do low pro.
But here's the thing, right? It wasn't even shaking, so they must have balanced it with that on.
Possibly.
Cause it wasn't even right and rough. Basically, our plans with this thing. You know Alex Troy? Yeah. Just wildest imagination. Just guess what's gonna happen there. Jakor just pulled up. I was thinking to buy Caprice, the new one, but they're expensive.
The cop car Caprice?
16,000.
Yeah, that's not so bad for what you get.
But I mean, I'm already. There's no reason for me to get that and the SS. It's the same thing, so.
Yeah, but the SS looks better.
It does, and it has a bigger motor.
The Caprice is just if you want a cop car
Yeah.
and just mess with people in the left lane.
I think it's a bigger back seat though.
The lower is gone, the upper is gone, the link is gone.
I mean, that's not hard to do. I mean, at least everything's gone, so I could just buy a whole suspension piece, like from a Miata or something.
Yeah.
I think. Is he about to pull up over there? That doesn't sound like a BMW.
Sounds like a lawnmower.
I literally sound. Unless I'm hearing something,
That's what it
it literally sounds like the guy's lawnmower.
right? That's why my buddy keeps calling every four-cylinder a lawnmower,
Oh,
especially
man.
the Honda.
Are you hearing it from the front?
Nice lawnmower, bro!
Oh, jeez.
Nice lawnmower!
He's gonna rev it. He's gonna rev it. I guarantee you. Crazy.
Shit.
Oh, that's not happening from there. That's not happening from there either. You gotta go way underneath. 1, 2, 3.
Oh man, those were a doozy.
Oh, really? You don't say.
I forgot how I hit them. I think I had to hit them with like one of these
It's gotta be from
I-
underneath.
from weird angles. I remember I had to put one like this and
Oh,
use all my finger strength to pop it open somehow.
jeez.
While we're on it, we might as well move it. Never know when was the last time. There we go. Eat through there.
Whew.
Good thing I never got headlights for these.
I'm surprised after the collision it's still there and cracked. It just pushed in.
I know. Which is crazy. I was expecting for something to destroy itself. The only thing that broke was apparently this coolant. Because you can see that it's pushing stuff out.
Yeah. Honestly, it's very isolated though.
Yeah. Could have been worse.
What happened?
We're just going over the damage. We got to replace all
Check out the control arms.
pieces. Yeah.
Lower and upper are just completely just.
I think honestly, like you just replace like everything, but then do coilover and that's it. Or we can, you know, if we were talking about the RX-8 motor to put it inside of here, and I mean it makes what 200 horsepower, so it's more than enough.
Yeah,
It's
more than
smaller,
full.
lighter.
So you guys already unbolted everything?
Not yet.
No. It's coming out today. I'll tell you that for sure.
For sure.
For sure.
I just hooked a lot of the wiring best I could. Try to take off the intake manifold, but my hands are too big to go underneath. So I can't get the final 3 or 4. Trying to see if I can give us more room.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. So back at the garage, and I just came back from Home Depot with just something really small. Something not small at all. I had to get it from Home Depot. It's like a tool cabinet. So borrowed a truck, borrowed the same truck I was driving, and that's it. So I'm gonna open it and see if we can get some organization up in here. All right, so we have gotten our tool box already set. It's got plugs on it, but
Where is it?
it's over here somewhere. And we are taking out this motor.
I need a Phillips.
Be somewhere over
I need
here.
my guy Phillips. My guy Phillips.
This motor's coming out today.
One way or another, goddammit. Whether it goes in today is a different story.
It's going in today too.
Yeah, we got time. It's only like 6 o'clock.
Yeah,
Not even. It's about to be 6 o'clock.
we're good. We're good.
I don't got nowhere else to be.
Now, take off the sensor.
I'm trying to help you out so you can get to work, man. You gotta get some money.
Yeah, right. Mr. Assistant Manager over here.
Hopefully a manager.
Mr. Owner of Domino's over here.
See,
Because we got one inside the tool cabinet. Seriously don't know how this camera's pulling this light out of here, but
This is actually the one.
what size is that?
7/8.
7/8.
Driving and ripper. I think it's the same problem I ran into the last time.
Yeah, what's that?
The Bluetooth sensor, I think.
Gotcha.
Okay, so any ideas on how to do this?
I think if you tilt it to the, you try and twist it this way. Once it's cleared here, twist this whole thing like this way. Can't twist that way?
Nope.
Because I can't pull it any higher.
Oh.
Because the stupid bong gets stuck right there.
You know, worst comes to worst, we could always cut the steering rack and, you know. Nah, we're not doing that.
Good luck replacing it. Looks like a bitch.
What if can it be pulled down?
I wonder if I didn't come underneath.
Wait, why do we need to pull out the manifold? Now I'm thinking about it.
The header?
Yeah, so why are we pulling it out?
So you can pull out the engine.
I think that you could pull out without it.
Oh,
Because it's right next to it, so it's, you know. Because that's where we got hung up before on the exhaust. So I'm trying not to have us behind schedule.
What are you?
What are we trying to do over here?
We're taking this bolt out for the trans right here. It's like I had to keep flipping the wrench just to even get it to hook on. I just knocked it free again. I'm gonna do one more twist. Come on, latch on. There we go. I should be able to twist it off.
Come on. You see how it's nighttime out? Ain't no kid awake.
Jeez. You'd be surprised when you're 12 years old.
That's when the ghouls come out.
I have the wrench on there.
My guy is really running his truck inside his garage.
Hold on.
Sorry, man. The final high is the best high.
I know, but I'm gonna be responsible for that. You know, as one of us here, and the black guy always goes to prison. So.
Hey, man, you're not the only black one here.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, you might be the darkest one here, but
Yeah. He'll look for that.
see, let him run his truck here, and he was in there all night by himself. That is your fault. Hey, man. We're just trying to get an engine out. That's it.
Listen, you see, I got two Miatas up here.
The white man told me to get rid of it.
The white man.
Hey, that's true.
Oh, it's not focusing.
Let there be light.
6 times a charm.
I'm about to get tetanus in my eyes.
If I don't come back, do not look for me.
Bet.
I'll have to rename my Miata.
It's actually pretty warm under here.
Yeah. That bolt on top of the tranny. Very tough.
Do I have to go to like the front of the car?
Just gotta flip on your back.
I'm flipping. This is like so scary.
Bro, how you think I felt for the past 2 Miatas?
This is like, what the fucking car just smashed when I saw Final Destination?
I mean,
You don't think that's been on my mind the whole night? Why do you think I keep putting wheels underneath?
I'm gonna be sent to the ghoul, huh?
Oh man.
Why do you think I said let's get the jack stands?
What jack stands?
Wait, could you try and like hold this onto the bolt?
Oh. You got it right
How
there.
did you even fit your hand in there?
Who, him? Yeah. It's right there. You're on the bolt. I think you just gotta twist
to be a
it.
Skeletor.
It's not on there though.
Oh, you got it.
I need goggles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking rush bucket.
Yeah, bro. Careful. You might get tetanus
There
on
you
your
go.
eyes.
You're on there.
I can't twist anything though.
How you gonna
Wait, let it go. I can't move it anywhere.
Okay. Pull it back up.
Yeah.
Alright.
Watch out. Let me try to twist it.
Yeah. I'm
No,
just
no, no.
holding it. Oh,
I
okay.
actually twist the bolt.
I got you.
It's a 17 socket.
Ooh, I got heartburn now. I'm catching your symptom. let me try and twist it. Which way am I twisting it though?
Towards me.
So I'll put this on, right? Which way would I?
You're gonna be pushing upwards to the right.
Upward to the right, okay.
Is he really okay? Like,
Go make sure he's good, yo.
nah, he said he got it like that. He got it like that. Trust
So
him.
there's a line in front of it.
Did I give you the 17 over?
Yeah, just cut the line.
Nah, this line is like thick boys.
Well, we got it. Oh, jeez.
That's EGR.
Yeah.
Then I guess we're cutting it.
Is it over there?
I don't see it over there.
Do you have a block off plate for it?
I didn't see it on the engine, so I'm gonna say it's not even there.
Okay, so then we're good. Cut it off.
I could be wrong though, because I didn't see it on the engine for shit.
No, don't worry about it. If it doesn't start, something spewing out, we'll
Actually, I
fix
think
it.
it's on the head. Let me check the head.
Tomorrow I'm going to go do something on the truck.
That's on the head.
I
It's on the head.
Let me squeeze through.
replaced last night.
Cut it. That's what I did with my Mustang, and you see how that turned out. The guy bought it.
He loves it. I think.
I keep forgetting you sold that car.
Me too. I woke up this morning, reaching for my key to remote start my car. I realized I don't have my key.
I think I have it.
He's like, you got the second key? I'm like, yeah, I got the second key. I don't know where that second key is. I haven't seen it since last year. So
Somewhere. Just don't know
it
where.
is somewhere. Probably in one of my jackets or something like that, or pants or something. It's coming out.
When that girl took it from you.
Ooh, that's cool. That's perfect.
Okay.
You want to back it up more? I'll let you know. Okay.
That's good. That's okay. How do you run out of place? Okay, so I will go about connecting this.
I think it's just the lights.
Yeah, I need an actual scissor. This ain't gonna cut it.
Scissor.
You know, that's like the one thing that we don't have, right?
But
Do we have a razor?
We have a Dremel.
you can use the what's that? The snapping one. Or you can use the
Oh, the
very end
vice?
of the vice grip one at the end.
Oh, wait. Hold that thought.
Wait, why are you cutting this?
Because we don't have EGR.
Yeah, we use a block plate for that. That's exhaust gas recirculation.
Oh, you got it. Oh,
Oh yeah,
Oh,
There we
this
go.
can do the job.
it'll do the job. You just gotta close it fast enough.
Oh, Lordy.
I can't feel this camera in my hands right now.
I can't feel my nose. It's starting to feel like Rudolph.
there's like oil everywhere. I want to strip my pants.
Should I give him more light?
Can I have a cardboard?
Alright, you're good.
My goodness.